also be used with the new expansions and with CAMSI. And so we put the like the line working, the electrical construction, all that, and the STEM labs and computers over in this area, so that when we add on to it, it can like still be used and not have to walk across, and like how other tables have that same idea as well. And then we really like this idea. We kept it over here because we think that it would just work better in this this area of it, because we think that it would be nice to have it. I like the idea of like having it displayed. I thought that was actually pretty cool. But we also kind of wanted to have a bunch of like green space on the top of these like areas and have that be what is seen from the highway, because they drive past cars like a lot, so it's kind of cool to see a green area over there. And we put the receiving in between both of the automotive areas so that it's an easy like access for them, and also the supply chain markets on the top of it as well. Our parking, this is our bus loop right here. We wanted to put like trees in between it so that it kind of like separates it from like the actual parking, like students and visitors, because we felt like it's just something pretty to look at and it's a good separation for safety as well. As you can tell, that our classrooms are kind of facing inwards to the main structure and like focal point of the building, because it's like going to be a lot of green area in between this in between the buildings. And so as a student, it's inspiring to see that kind of like nature during your class, and so we like that. Do you have anything else to add?
Yeah, the addition of nature inside and out the building really helps make it feel much less industrial, which is what I think a lot of students are looking for in designing a plan like this. I want it to feel advanced and new and very innovative, but I do not want it to feel industrial at all. I want it to feel like it's a place I can learn comfortably with the resources that I need, but I don't want it to feel bare and bland. And so the inclusion of the nature in and out of the building really helps kind of facilitate that a little bit. Another thing I really like about our design is the placement of the large central hub. We want it to be made of glass and let a lot of light in, and I feel like that is a space where both students and teachers can kind of congregate, and I view it much like an airport terminal, like that central area within an airport where everyone comes through from both wings and just has a chance to mingle and hang out in a very bright open space.
We could add one thing too, like with the Zoe and cameras, that middle area.